Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome aboard. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I maintain what I consider my signature short hairstyle. This has been my go-to hairstyle for 2019. I usually switch my hair up a lot. If you're familiar with my channel and the old videos, then you know this about me already. But lately I've been sticking to this style because it's super easy to manage, and you will see why in this video. So as you can see, the first thing I do is separate the crown of my hair all into one section. It's already in the middle, but I do just separate it from the shorter hair because the first thing I'm going to do is be cutting down the side and back. Okay, so what I use to keep my hair short on the back and sides is this little hair cutter razor I get from my local beauty supply. It is literally less than $5. Okay, so if you have thick hair, you want to use this side to cut, and if you have thinner hair, then you want to use this side to cut because you don't want to cut off too much hair. In this section here, my hair has always been thinner, so I always use the longer part, and then the rest of my head I just use the short part because my hair is super thick. And that information is also available on the back of the packaging. So basically what I do with this tool is just comb my hair in a downward motion as if I'm using a regular comb, but this one does have a razor. And yeah, it does get a close shave, and I like to keep my hair really low, so I will go over it a few times just to get as much hair that is sticking up as possible. My hair does grow pretty quickly. I do this routine like every 2 weeks or less, depending on, you know, the weather and everything. So now I am brushing in a downward motion, making sure any excess hair is off before I go to the next step. And the next step is to just shape it up with some shears that I have. I'm just going around the edges of my entire head, like around my ears, the nape of my neck and everything, just to keep the hairstyle looking as neat as possible. I'm going to just clip those hairs away. And now I'm also using this little razor to do the same thing. I'm just basically shaping up the nape of my neck and the sideburns. Sometimes I let my sideburns grow out, but lately I've just been keeping them in a tip-top shape for this style. Now using some alcohol in a cotton ball, I go ahead and rub that on the back of my neck because I do not need any razor bumps. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash and condition my hair thoroughly. I make sure to scrub vigorously, especially where I just cut my hair, because I don't want any excess hair getting on me or clothes or on pillows or anything. So yeah, that's the reason why I wash my hair after cutting it, and also it makes my scalp feel super duper refreshed after a good condition. So instead of mousse, I'm actually just going to use my olive oil organic root stimulator hair moisturizer, and I'm going to make sure this gets on every part of my scalp and on my hair. The reason I have not been using mousse on my hair lately is because I have not been applying relaxer to my hair. So most of this is just natural texture, and you'll be able to see the difference. The ends of my hair has been relaxed one time, but after that I was like, I'm done with putting relaxers on the longer parts of my hair. I do it every once in a while on the back and sides because that hair just comes and goes. You know, I cut it frequently, so that doesn't matter, but I am done with putting relaxer on the longer parts of my hair, and the mousse would just make it curl up and not cooperate at all. So after smoothing my hair down with the comb and brush and everything and getting it super neat, I do go ahead and put the headscarf on, and I leave it on until I feel like my hair is mainly dry for the most part. I don't like to put too much heat on it, so I do let it stay like this for like 30 to 45 minutes. So I did go ahead and do my makeup and all kind of other stuff, and then I came back to finish. Comment down below to let me know if you guys would like to still see makeup videos here on my channel. I'm thinking about doing them every once in a while. I just won't do as many as I used to, so yeah, kind of random, but I do just want a little bit of feedback, so yep. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair with the handheld blow dryer that I always use, and I'm only using a rat tail comb, and I am combing straight from the roots and blowing it out because, like I said, my hair is natural, so the hair that's not relaxed is definitely going to need to be blown straight before I apply the flat iron to it. And so I just do it in an upward motion because for some reason that's just easier for me. So if you ever notice me blow dry my hair in any of the other hair videos, I always blow dry it in an upward motion because then I can get to all of my roots evenly. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my lovely Chi iron to flat iron the rest of my hair. I'm using my rat tail comb and my hair clips to separate it. This part literally takes me like 10 minutes, and I pass the iron on my hair and just bump it at the end, and that gives me the feather-like look that you guys usually see on my pictures. As you can see, focusing on the root, I kind of pass the iron on there like 2 or 3 times on the actual root parts of my hair, and then once on the ends. That's because, like I said, the roots are natural textured and the relaxed hairs are much thinner, so it doesn't take much effort for that to get straightened. So now that I'm done, I'm just kind of just feathering out my curl pattern with my nails. This can also be done with a rat tail comb, but since my nails are already there, I just use that. But yeah, this is how I get this look. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching this entire video. Don't forget to subscribe if this is something that you are interested in seeing more of on my channel. Comment down below and hit that thumbs up button for me, and I'll be sure to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.